Okay. We're gonna replace this. Well, the bushings in my wiper arm transmission, which sits all underneath this area, is going out. And those bushings, they go out on heck of a lot of Chryslers and Chrysler products, because they were used all the way from the 60s to like the 90s. So I'm going to show you how to take off this transmission here. What you want to do first, I got it, all this crap sitting here, thanks roommate. So originally what you're going to do is you're going to see everything basically like this. And you're going to want to, sorry, I already started taking this apart. You're going to want to do, you got a bolt here, bolt there. You got a screw here, screw there. And then I didn't even mess with, like, there's a little plastic body clip right there. I just kind of popped it out and just kind of folded it over out of the way there. And then with those two bolts out of this, you just pop that cover right off of there. Set it in the pile of debris there. And then you're gonna wanna remove your wiper arms. And if you've never done this before, it's kind of a weird deal here. So I'm going to show you on the arm because it's easier that way. Okay, so you kind of pop it open. You pop it up a little bit. It's kind of hard to show you now. Pretend it's on there like that. You pop it up a bit, and then you pull your tab out. Now, see, I'll put it back in so it'll go back down. And there, see, it's flat on there. So you pop it up. It's gonna be hard to do this on one hand. Oh man, can we get it? Oh, I think we got it, boys. And then you just kind of want to rock it back and forth a little bit there, and go boop, pops right off. No nuts holding it on, no nothing. It's just gonna chill there like this little tab that you pull out, as you can see. This little tab right there. When you pull that out, it basically releases it. So you just kind of rock it off. You can give it a little rock and pops right off. So you want to remove your wiper arms there. And then I've already dropped this one down. But there's two bolts that hold that in there, as you can see there. Just undo those bolts. Drop that down. Those will drop down. And then you're going to want to undo your power here. And you're going to want to do your wiper motor mounting bolts, which is that guy, and then a fun one down here in the corner. And once I undo those, I'll be back with you. Alright, so after undoing those three nuts, you'll end up this relay here, mounting relay, will also pop off. Then you're gonna want to kind of show you a little bit better here. So you pop it off of those nuts, or off these studs here. Then you're gonna wiggle it around to the right as far as you can get it until this lever pops out. You'll notice here, this is the bushing I was having issues with because the wiper arm part of it had already come off Like, it was basically my passenger side wiper wasn't working at all because of it. So you're gonna do that, and you're probably gonna have to do some good twisting and bending, and you might even have to take this and kind of bend it this way so it's back behind it. But if you get what I mean. But you're gonna want to pop this lever out of this side first, and then with that lever out, let's see if I can do this one-handed, this whole thing will slide out the other way like this, and you'll end up bringing all this stuff with you then, as you can see here. So in order to get out, sometimes you have to kind of contort it a little bit. That way it'll come out the way you want it to. There we go. So I did that with one hand. Pat on my back there. So yeah, once that passenger side pops out of here, the rest should be able to kind of just slide out that away. And then yeah, you'll just look at these bushings. Here's the bushings, and you'll want to replace them. I'll see how many of them we have. I believe there's 3 of them. I'll take a look here, lay it out, and we'll show you. So we've got it kind of laid out here for you. So we got one bushing right here that I don't even know where it is. It's probably in the cowl area there. Just disintegrated on me. We got one there, connects to your passenger side arm, or your passenger side wipers. So you got one here. There's another one right here. And I found the number for it. And I'll put it in the comments. When I looked up the number, it claimed it wasn't, like, it wouldn't work for my car, but it certainly looks like it would. I don't have this bushing, but it feels pretty alright, so I'm gonna leave it be. Hopefully that won't bite me in the butt later, but I guess it is what it is. And so we have one up here. This guy is still in it. That would connect right here. When I popped it out, it basically cracked. But here it is. So you can see it wasn't doing so hot either. Goop on it. Cracked when I took it out. Might be able to still reuse it, but I got new ones, so it's okay. So you got that one right there. Connects to that arm. And then this one down over here, which is the same deal, just put on opposite sides, if you see there. And that one then would connect to this driver's side arm like that. So here's the number that I ordered. I can't remember. I'll put the numbers in the comment, or in my comments here, or the video description, I mean. So here's the new Mopar ones. I highly suggest getting Mopar ones. From what I heard, the Dorman help style ones are not the greatest quality, and they might end up breaking on you pretty quickly. These are like $5 a bushing, so they're not going to break the bank by any means. But in order for like installation of these things, I can get my finger out of it here. Installation of these things, I'm gonna, on the video description here, I will link a comment, or I will link another video of a kind gentleman, Chrysler person, who kind of shows a good way to install these. Otherwise, you can crack them trying to install them. I've heard they're kind of a pain in the butt. Not looking forward to it, but here goes nothing. Alright, well, she's all back together. Everything was just basically a reverse of the disassembly. In order to get these guys lined back up, you kind of do some fiddling with it, but yeah, basically make sure you just stick in this driver's side first, put it all the way as far as you can get it over there. Make sure the rod and everything of this gets in through there. Then it's just a matter of bolting everything back up. I don't have the keys on me right now, otherwise I'd start this thing up, but I'm gonna give her a test fire, but that's pretty much it. Not too much to it. It only took me, even with videotaping here, maybe a little over an hour or so. So it's not too tough of a job, luckily. Alright, till next time.